Hi friends, it's Miss Drywa. Happy Wednesday. We're halfway through the week, so we're halfway through with our 10 times table. We worked on skip counting and finding the multiples, and now we're going to really focus more on multiplying by 10. Remember, we have our special trick that will help us, so I'm sure we will do fine. So let's get started. So when we are skip counting by a number or find the multiples of a number, we always start with that number. So this week is 10, so we're going to start with 10. So we're going to do some skip counting, then do some multiplication problems. So I want everybody to count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome job, friends. So now we're going to start doing some multiplication. So remember, when we do 4 times 10, now if you can remember the trick, amazing. It's so simple, friends. All you have to do is take your other number, so the other number in this case is 4, write it as there, and add a 0. Easy peasy, 4 times 10 equals 40. But if you have a hard time remembering that, and that's okay, that's why we're here, and that's why we have other ways of doing things. You can still make your equal groups or your touch points. So I'm going to make 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm just going to skip count by 10 on the number on the equal groups. So remember, use your reference sheets for this that I give each week because those will help you. So 10. And I'm going to write the number so I don't forget. 20, 30, 40. 4 times 10, I got 40. Now, the same thing, friends, so if I skip count on my touch points. So I'm skip counting by 10 4 times. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 times 10 equals 40. Just like our secret trick. So we have now, for our 10 times table, we have 3 strategies. Our secret trick of adding 0, we have equal groups, or touch points. So the next one. So now 8 times 10. Now, number's getting a little bigger, but we can still do it. Now remember what we said. Bring the 8 times 10. Any number times 10, add a 0 to the other number. So I bring my other number over, so 8, and I add a 0. 8 times 10, 80. Well, again, let's see if we're right. Let's do our other methods. I'm going to make 8 equal groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I can skip count on the groups. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We got the same answer. Now, I'm going to try my touch points. I'm going to skip count by 10 on my 8 touch points. Remember, these count as 2. So, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 8 times 10 equals 80. Easy peasy, friends. Now, That's where we're going to stop for today. So, easy peasy. We have 3 strategies for our tens times table. Add a 0 to our other number. So 4 times 10. I'm going to add a 0 to that 4, and I'm going to get 40. We have our equal groups. Now you could write out all the little groups, 10 in each group, and skip count, but that could take you a long time. And we're trying to speed things up. We're trying to make sure we're learning our math facts with fluency, right? And if we're practicing our skip counting, just skip count on your groups. Same thing with your touch points, friends. You can skip count on your touch points. Use your reference sheets to help you. They're there. Above them, even on the worksheet, it has it written. It's all there for you to use, okay? We practice so we can get better. All right, friends, so go work on your worksheets and have a wonderful day.